Greetings, beautiful magical souls. Welcome to Day 5 of our Witchy Challenge. Tonight, we're diving into the mystical art of creating moon water. Let's weave some lunar magic. Moon water, my darlings, is water that's been charged with the moon's energy. It's a versatile magical tool that can amplify your spells, cleanse your space, or even nourish your plants with a touch of celestial magic. First, choose your vessel. A clear glass jar works wonderfully, but any container will do. Remember, it's your intention that truly matters. Next, fill your container with water. Spring water is ideal, but tap water works too. As you pour, visualize your intentions flowing into the water. Now, let's add some magical oomph. You can place crystals around your jar, clear quartz for amplification, moonstone for intuition, or any crystal that resonates with your purpose. If you're feeling extra witchy, sprinkle some herbs into your water. Lavender for peace, rosemary for protection, or chamomile for sweet dreams. Just make sure they're safe if you plan to drink your moon water later. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Place your water outside under the moonlight. If you can't put it outside, a windowsill works too. As you set it down, say, "Lunar light, pure and bright, charge this water with your might. By the power of 3 times 3, as I will, so mote it be." Leave your water out overnight to soak up that lunar goodness. In the morning, you'll have moon water charged with intention and cosmic energy. You can use your moon water to cleanse your altar, add to bath rituals, water your plants, or even drink it to internalize the moon's energy. Just be sure it's safe to consume if you plan to drink it. Remember, witches, you can create moon water during any moon phase, but full moons and new moons are especially potent. Experiment and see what works best for your practice. Don't forget to share your moon water creations using the hashtag Witchy Challenge. Until tomorrow, may the moon's light guide your path. Blessed be.